Welcome to R-Biopharm. With this video, we'd like to give you an overview about the basics of TDM and why it should be used in daily routine for patients suffering from inflammatory bowel disease, such as Crohn's disease and colitis ulcerosa. The inflammation in IBD is caused by an excessive production of TNF-alpha, a signal molecule triggering inflammatory processes. To reduce this, biological drugs such as anti-TNF-alpha drugs are used. Infliximab and adalimumab, for example, are such anti-TNF-alpha drugs. These are very valuable for the treatment of IBD patients as they reduce disease activity. This makes the patients feel better and maintain remission over time. But sometimes people are not responding to biologics or lose response over time. To make drugs work better in patients, TDM joins the game. TDM means to measure the concentration of a drug in the patient's blood and adapt the dosage correspondingly, based on the results of the measurement. Biologics were shown to work best when a certain concentration is present within the patient's blood. Only then the drug can exert its full effect. So the concentration should be measured regularly. The right time point to draw blood is just before the next drug dose is being administered. By this, the trough level concentration is determined, and based on the result, the dosage can be adapted to avoid a suboptimal concentration of biologics in the patient's blood. If the concentration is too high, the risk of side effects increases. If the drug concentration is too low, the risk of developing antibodies against the drug increases, which might result in a loss of response over time. In both scenarios, the drug isn't used the most beneficial way, and the treatment should be optimized. In some cases, a switch to another drug should be considered. To conclude, therapeutic drug monitoring minimizes side effects and loss of response to the drug, and therefore helps to reduce the costs of the treatment. Therapeutic drug monitoring of infliximab and adalimumab improves the health and well-being of patients with IBD.